In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is a hotlist task and why you use them in Maximizer? Why create a task from Actions menu? How to create a one-off task? How to create a recurring task? How to create a reminder task? How to create a task from leads, accounts, and client service plans? How to modify a task? How to reassign a task? What is a hotlist task and why use them in Maximizer? Hotlist tasks in Maximizer serve as your dynamic to-do list, designed to efficiently manage and track tasks and reminders. Tasks can be linked to other records in Maximizer like households, contacts, leads, and companies, ensuring comprehensive task management. By utilizing hotlist tasks, you can prioritize critical actions, enhance productivity, maintain timely communication, and track task completion within your teams. Tasks can be a one-off or can be set up to be recurring. By default, tasks are assigned to the person that creates it, but can be assigned to other Maximizer users. Hotlist tasks are available in the contact list, accounts, leads, campaigns, hotlist, and client service plans, ensuring a streamlined workflow across all business areas. Why create a task from Actions menu? In Maximizer, there are many ways and places to create a task. Most people would assume to go to Hotlist or Tasks and create a task from there. Other users more familiar with Maximizer may have found other ways to create a task. I am going to show you the best practice and tell you why you should create a task from the Actions menu. Best practice is to go to the Details tab of the record you want to create a task against. In the bottom right of the Maximizer screen, click on Schedule a To-Do. By doing it this way, you are eliminating the possibility of creating the task under the wrong record. How to create a one-off task. To create a one-off task, select or search for the entry you want to create the task against. In the Details tab, go to Actions menu. Click Schedule a To-Do. The Add Task window opens. Choose the date when the task needs to be completed by. Select the time when the task is due. Select a subject from the pull-down menu. Click Edit List to add any additional subjects you wish to add. You can also start typing any information you want to capture about this task in this area. Select Set Alarm to set up an alarm reminder for this task. Use the arrows to increase or decrease the number. Select the pull-down menu to select minutes, hours, days, or weeks. You can give the task a priority. You can also use icons to help illustrate what the task is about. By default, the task is assigned to the person creating it. To assign the task to another person, click the pull-down menu and select the user's name who you want to assign the task to, then click OK. The person who you are assigning the task to will appear under Assigned To. Use Regarding to link the task to an account or a client service plan. Use Category to categorize this task. If desired, use the result to capture the end result when completing the task. The system information displays the task creator and the task creation date. Click Save to create the task. You will be prompted to notify the assigned user via email. Click OK. The Send Email pop-up window will display. Click Send to send the person the email notifying them of the task assigned to them. How to create a recurring task. If you want to create a recurring task, click Repeat. Under Every, use the arrows to increase or decrease the number. Use the pull-down menu to select days, weeks, months, or years. Select the start date under Starts. When creating a recurring task, Maximizer will create only one task at a time. A new task is generated after each previous task is completed. Click Set to create the recurring tasks. How to create a reminder task. A reminder task is a task that you can create that is not associated with any maximizer entry. To create this type of task, you can simply remove the entry from the Task With field and proceed to create the task. How to create a task from Leads, Accounts, and Client Service Plans. To create a task in Leads, go to the Leads module. Click the lead record you want to create the task under. Go to Actions and select Schedule a To-Do. Proceed to fill out any of the fields and click Save when finished. To create a task in Accounts, go to the Accounts module. Best practice is to select the account you want to create the task under. Use the Details tab of the account and go to Actions menu to select Schedule a To-Do. Doing it this way will create the task under the correct account record. For tasks related to a client service plan, go to the Client Service module. Select the client service plan you wish to create the task under. In Details tab, go to Actions and click Schedule a To-Do. How to modify a task. Open the task you wish to modify, make the necessary changes to the task. Click Save when finished. How to reassign a task. Open the task you want to reassign. Under Assigned To, click the pull-down menu and select the user you want to assign the task to. Then click OK. Click Save. You will be prompted to notify the newly assigned user via email about this task being assigned to them. Click OK. The Send Email dialog box will open. Click Send to send the email to the newly assigned user.